Okay, so what does the point 608 tell you? I'm gonna locate it here, 608. What does this point tell you, Daniel? That-
my answer?
Yep,
They made $608 in 5 days of advertising.
good. They made $608 in
5 days.
5 days of advertising. They profited $608. They made $608. Excellent. What do the points below the horizontal, remember this is horizontal, what do the points below that represent? What does that mean? Did they make a profit?
Yes.
No.
No.
It's negative, which means what?
Wait, hold on.
Sorry? They lost money. They didn't make any profit. They lost money. They're in the negative, so they actually were, they were below zero, so they were losing money at that point. So at the beginning, even though they were advertising, they weren't making any profit. How about C? Which points represent dances with fewer than 5 days of advertising? Here's 5 days, right? All the points below that would be these ones. So those are all the points below 5 days of advertising. Oh, sorry. And this one and this one. These are all 4 days of advertising. Anything to the right of that is more than 5 days of advertising. 5 days or more. So you don't have to list all the points, but I circled them. That's fine. Okay, so describe the trend. We talked about this already. What's the trend in this data? What's happening?
It's increasing to the right.
Upward, to the right, positive, upward, trend.
So the trend will be.
Yes, it's a positive upward trend. And we've already talked about this, the relationship between the number of days advertising and the profit. What happens as they start to advertise more?
Increases.
Their profit increases. Excellent. Okay, so would it be reasonable to extend this trend to predict the profit for when a school dance is advertised over a 10-day period? Can I extend this graph like this and predict what it would be at 9, 10 days? Can we predict that?
Yeah.
Yeah, sure, why not? Just continue the trend. Let's pretend let's just make up some numbers here. I'm just following the trend, okay?
Is it that?
And I'm following the pattern.
I see it.
So, at 10 days of advertising, what do you think the profit might be? Around
1,400.
10 days.
$1,400. I can make a prediction.
What does it go up to?
Yeah, so 10 days, I drew in some points that follow this trend because I noticed that just keeps increasing. And at 10 days, it's probably going to be around $1,400.
But does the profit go up to?